Hi guys, it's me, Amber Lewis, and I am standing in a living room designed with all of my new pieces in my collaboration with Four Hands. I cannot wait to introduce you to some of these stars. Let's take a look. My favorite part about this collection and what we were thinking about when we sat down to design it was how do we create pieces that were so versatile that they looked great in any room. Like these chairs, for example. They obviously look great in this living room, but they would also look beautiful in a bedroom, in a family room. They're super comfortable, they're really durable. I love them. What I wanted to do when I was designing this collection was make sure that I go back and think about all the pieces that I've designed and really pick out my favorites. This bookshelf being one of them. I've now designed this probably 4 different times, custom for a couple different homes, and I love it so much that I decided that we had to introduce it to the collection, so we did.
Whenever I'm designing or pulling together a space, I always try and add pieces of furniture that add something unique, either in shape, in the texture, or in the color. These Amira Rush accent chairs add so much character to the space and are versatile enough to fit perfectly into any style of home. I can't pick favorites, but this sofa is just too good. This is the Lowell, and I just can't get over the fabric on this piece. The stripes are subtle, but add the perfect amount of visual interest, and the shape is truly timeless. Not to mention, it is just as comfortable as it is beautiful. Thank you so much for walking and talking with me for a little bit today. I'm glad I got to share some of my favorite new pieces from my new collection with Four Hands. If you saw something that you liked here or want to explore the full 100-piece plus collection, you can shop all of it over at Shop Amber Interiors now. Okay, until next time, guys. Bye!